Let's set the record straight. Hacking isn't about endless studying, drowning in theory, or collecting certifications just to feel qualified. Hacking is about action. It's about thinking like an attacker, experimenting on systems, and learning through hands-on experience. Do you want to dive into cybersecurity? Don't wait for a degree or a course. Start hacking now. Fire up your terminal and start scanning networks with Nmap. Intercept traffic with tools like Burp Suite. Crack passwords with Hydra. Forget the manuals. The best way to learn is by using these tools and seeing how they work in action. True hackers don't wait to be taught. They break things, they explore, and they fail fast so they can learn even faster. The more systems you play with, the better you'll understand their weaknesses. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Ethical hacking should always be done with permission and within legal boundaries. Unauthorized access to systems is illegal and unethical. Always follow the laws and respect others' privacy. Start by mastering Linux. Understanding its inner workings is essential since most attacks happen on Linux systems. But don't forget about Windows. It's one of the most targeted operating systems for attacks. Learn how attackers exploit Windows vulnerabilities like SMB vulnerabilities, RDP, brute force attacks, and privilege escalation techniques. Understanding how Windows works, its weaknesses, and the attack vectors attackers use on it will make you a good hacker. Learn networking protocols like TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP, and HTTPS. Understanding how data travels across the internet will give you the insight to exploit weaknesses in networks. Get comfortable with scripting languages like Python or Bash. Scripting allows you to automate tasks, making you more efficient and adaptable. And don't forget the core tools every hacker relies on like Nmap for network scanning, Burp Suite for web vulnerability testing, Hydra for brute forcing passwords, Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities, and Wireshark for network traffic analysis. Once you've mastered these skills and tools, it's time to practice. The best way to improve is to constantly challenge yourself. That's where platforms like TryHackMe and HackTheBox come in. They offer hands-on labs and capture the flag or CTF challenges that simulate real-world hacking scenarios. You can also join bug bounty programs like HackerOne and Bugcrowd, where you get paid for finding and reporting security flaws in real-world applications and websites. These programs allow you to apply your skills in a professional environment and start earning money for your work. Start with low-hanging fruit. Begin by looking for basic bugs like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, or misconfigurations. These are common vulnerabilities that many websites and applications have, and they're often the easiest to find. There are plenty of beginner-level challenges on bug bounty platforms where you can practice hunting for these vulnerabilities. Start with public programs that are meant for newcomers. Many bug bounty platforms have beginner-friendly challenges that provide a safe, low-pressure environment to learn and build your skills. You'll also find training resources on these platforms that teach you the ins and outs of finding and reporting bugs. Also, don't hesitate to test on your own. Spin up your own local environments or use bug bounty platforms labs to practice scanning, exploiting, and reporting. Learning how to write solid reports is just as important as finding vulnerabilities, because companies need to know exactly how to fix the issue. Start small, but build up your skill set gradually. As you gain more experience and tackle more advanced bugs, your reputation will grow, and you'll start targeting high-value vulnerabilities like remote code execution, privilege escalation, or server-side request forgery. But the money doesn't stop there. Once you build a strong portfolio of successful hacks and vulnerabilities discovered, you can move into freelancing or full-time security roles. Companies are always looking for skilled penetration testers, security analysts, and cybersecurity consultants. You can also offer your own cybersecurity services, helping businesses secure their networks, conduct penetration testing, or improve their overall security posture. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to practice every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. That daily grind will sharpen your skills and make you dangerous in the best way possible. This isn't about being a genius. It's about staying curious and being consistent. As long as you're hungry for knowledge and always pushing to break into new systems, you're on the right track. Hacking isn't something you wait to start. It's something you do. And once you start, you'll never stop. The more you master your skills, the more opportunities you'll find, and that leads to making serious money as a cybersecurity pro. So, if you're ready to take the leap, start today. Don't wait for permission. Start hacking and let your skills do the talking. The world of cybersecurity is waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on more tips, tricks, and in-depth guides that will help you master the art of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Let's hack the system together. See you in the next one.